my ancestor, Warri, prayed for me. That's why in Ivory Coast, being half Ivorian, I succeed as I succeed. And it was not easy for me.
It's no coincidence that you came in this time. Your homecoming to the palace when your mother's very hometown is keeping watch in the palace. I believe that is divine. All our children who are not currently domiciled in Nigeria, I know there has been a lot of excitement, curiosity, everybody wants to come home. And I believe this further puts a stamp that there is a homecoming for Itsekiris all over the world. And I believe your coming would herald them in their larger numbers